Hello, children. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to this online class, and I'm going to take the first topic with you of your grammar, English Grammar Class 5. Okay, and for this class, I want you to be ready with a pencil, notebook, eraser, and a timer if possible, else it is okay. Okay, the timer as in the wristwatch timer or the timer in the mobile phone, any would do. So here, before we start, let's just sing a little. Okay, A B C D E F G, come on, sing. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Can you guess the topic to be? Can you guess, children? It is alphabetical order. Yes. So, what are alphabets? I'm sure you know what alphabets are. So, and what is order? Okay, so alphabets are the set of letters we use to make words with, and order is the sequence these letters occur in. So in English alphabet we have 26 letters, and it is after A we have B and then C, followed by D, E, F, and onwards. All right. So here I'm going to start with a small warm-up exercise for which I'm going to show you a word list, and what you have to do is pause the video. When I show you the word list, pause the video, note down the words in your notebooks, arrange them alphabetically, and then play the video. Let's carry this lesson forward. Okay, so here I have the word list with me, children. Nod, roll, hop, jump, bend, and skip. These are the words I've written down here, and this is for the ones who have a timer. Otherwise, it's okay. It is just to check in how much time can you arrange them alphabetically. All right. So note these down, do the exercise, come back, play the video, check the answers. So I have the answers with me, and if you have all correct, wonderful. If you have skipped something or missed something, it is okay. Let's see, let's check. Correct order for the given challenge was bend, hop. The number first will be bend, then hop, jump, nod, roll, and skip. This is the correct sequence, the correct order of the words which were given. Now, good. If you have all correct, wonderful. All right. Now, if you have not understood, it is okay. I'm here to tell you. So, how did we arrange all these words alphabetically? See, we read all the words first, and then according to the first letter of the words, we arranged them in alphabetical order. Now, in the list, there was no word which started with A, but we had a word with B, bend. Then you don't have any other word in the list which had started with C, D, E, F, or even G, but then we have H, hop. Then again, I, there is no word but J, and that is how we've gone. Okay, so whatever alphabet we see here, the first letter of the words, whatever alphabet comes first according to the alphabets we have, that is how you are going to arrange them. All right. Now, whoever has done it well, again, great work. But this was just a small revision. All right. So let's see how you go forward. Well, so that was easy. Why? Because we had all different letters, different words. But what if you have a word list with the the first letter as same. For example, here I've just given you a small one. If you can do it mentally, great. Otherwise, follow the same thing. Pause the video, note down the words and put them in order. Check. Okay. So here I've already, you can see, underlined the second letters. Why? Because all the words have letter B as their first letter. Okay. So we are not going to see, because it's confusing. How do we set them according to the alphabets? Okay. So the trick is you go to the second letter. Now all the words, they start with B, but their second letters are different. So black, bark, born and bet. These are the words. If you can quickly do it mentally, great. Otherwise, I have the correct answers here. See, first word will be bark because A comes before any other letter. Then the second is bet because E, A, B, C, D. We don't have those words here, but we have E. Okay. Then we have no F, G, H, I, J, K, but we have L. And then we have no M, N, but we have O. So the correct sequence is here. Bark, bet, black and born. Understood? Now, this is easy again. I hope it is easy. Now, what if you have, the same, what if you have the first two letters of the word list same? What? What will we do if you have words like back, bake, base and bag? Now here if we notice, not only the first letter B is same, but also the second letter A is same, right? So how will we check the correct order? How will we put them in correct order? Yes, if you said in your mind, if you spoke loud, if you said we are going to see the letter which comes third in all the words. So here back we have C, bake we have K, base S and bag G. So the letters which we have to now keep in mind for alphabetical order are C, K, S and G. What comes first? C. So the first word will be back. Then second, yes, bag. And then between K and S, K, bake. And then fourth is base. So our sequence is back, bag, bake and base. Right? Now, ready to up the challenge? Yes? If you have understood this, you are done. It's great. So I'm going to give you a bigger list of 8 words now and you have to arrange them alphabetically. Same procedure goes. See the word list, pause the video, write them down alphabetically and play the video again and check yourselves. Great. Now, so take it as practice exercise and if something goes wrong, we are going to do and understand it together. Alright. So here is the word list starting with C and you have them, you have 8 words here. Pause the video, write them down, arrange them, come back. I'll wait. So have you done, children? Great if you have done, and let's see if it is all correct. So first I'm going to tell you the answers verbally. Please check along. I'm going to read the sequence. So the first word will be camera, second candle, chair, clever, fifth will be crack, sixth cream, seventh create, and the last word is cycle. Okay. If you got it correct, again, good job. Well done. But If there is something wrong, it is okay. Let's do it together here. Okay. So the words here, we have all the words are starting with C. So you will have to check the second letters of all the words. Now let's look at the second letters. Clever, you have L. R is second letter of create. Y, second letter of cycle. H, second letter of chair. A, candle. A, second letter of camera also. C and R, okay. R, cream and crack, R again. Now, the only places where you have to be very careful is, where the second letters are same. CA, CA, and here you have CR, CR, and CR. So, rest is easy. So, let's see how it is going to work out. So, when we have two letters, C ke baad we see A, right? So here in these two words, camera and candle, both the first two letters are same, CA, CA. So we are going to go to the third letter, which is M in camera and N in candle. Which comes before now in the alphabet, M or N? M, right. So that is why camera is the number one. Second is candle, right? Third, because there's no other confusion here, we can go on. Third is chair, CH. Then after H, we don't have any words which have, CI, CJ, CK, but we have clever. So the fourth word is clever. Then we have fifth, sixth, and seventh. A little confusion. If children who have got something wrong, it is okay. Just be concentrative here now. Okay. So if we see the words cream, create, cream, and crack, all the words have CR, CR, CR. So we go to the third letter again. So it is CRE, create, CRE, cream, CRA, crack. So second letter CR, but third we have CRE, CRE, and CRA. So amongst these, crack will come first. So in our word list, number 5 is crack. Then let's see create and cream. Cream and create both have even the third and fourth letter same. See? CREA. CREA. Right? So now we are going to check the fifth letter. Create has T and cream has M. Which comes before M or T? Which comes earlier in the alphabet? M. That is why cream 6th and create 7th, right? The only word left is cycle. 8th word is cycle. Okay. So I hope you have done it well and enjoyed the session also. So just a small recap what we have done. Alphabetical order. Alphabet has 26 letters. Order means sequence. We had different word lists and we arranged them according to the alphabetical order. When the first letter is same of the words, then you check the second letter, and if the second letters are also same, then you check the third letter, and that is how you build up the alphabetical order, right? Now, where do we use it, or where do we find alphabetical order, children? Dictionaries, yes, and any other? Okay, if you see the cell phone you have, or any phone directory, all the cell phone numbers, the contact numbers are saved in alphabetical order. So you have, when you check the contact lists of your parents or your maybe grandparents, see that the contact names will come in alphabetical order. Yes, and this if you're quick with this here, it is very easy to use a dictionary, right? And when do we use a dictionary? We use it to find meanings of the words. And if you are in a rush, we quickly just go through the dictionary according to the alphabetical order and find out, right? Now that's all for this class, and I'll catch up again with you further with a worksheet to be done by you, and we'll have a short talk even then, right? I'll explain you how to go about the worksheet. Goodbye and have a great day. Thank you.